Jai Srimanarayana, 16th sloka of 11th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Aneka bahudara Vaktranetram Pasyami tvam Sarvato Nantarupam Nantam na madhyam na punastavadim Pasyami Visvesvara Visvarupa. Om. Realize that Visvarupam does means this entire Visvam, cosmos is there in Sri Krishna Paramatma. As and how you do not know, you cannot see the beginning, middle and end of this entire cosmos, so also Krishna Paramatma's Visvarupam has no beginning, no middle, no end. Visvarupam is external pervasiveness of Sri Krishna Paramatma. In the 10th chapter, Krishna Paramatma said, I am internally pervaded everywhere in all the beings. So external, internal pervasiveness derives a divine title to Sri Krishna Paramatma is Narayana. He is all over because of compassion. That is why he is called as Sriman Narayana. He is supporting every entity only out of his compassion. That is why he is called as Sriman Narayana. Saying success to Sriman Narayana is Jai Sriman Narayana. Jai Sriman Narayana is nothing but you are wishing the welfare of the entire cosmos. Lokas samastah sukhino bhavantu. Keep on saying Jai Sriman Narayana, Jai Sriman Narayana with the thought process that you are wishing welfareness for each and everyone in this entire cosmos. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Krishna Paramatma strongly asking you to surrender to Him alone. Krishna Paramatma says, come to me, surrender to me alone. Do not cry. Mamekam saranam vraja ma suchaha. Now you respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma saying that, Oh Krishna, Oh Sriman Narayana, I realize that you are all over internally and externally and you are the best way to be addressed as Narayana. Oh Krishna, Oh Sriman Narayana, I shall keep on saying Jai Sriman Narayana, Jai Sriman Narayana with the thought process that I am wishing welfare of the entire cosmos. Krishna, I shall surrender to you alone. Krishna, I shall not cry. Sriman Narayana, Karishye Vachanam Tava, I shall obey your orders. Please help me act according to your heart. Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam Sukamukhadamrutadrava sanyutam Pibata Bhagavatam rasamalayam Muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Yogindra. Yam pravrajantamanupeta krutyam Dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava Putreti tanmayataya taravobhineduhu Tam sarvabhuta hrudayam Munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana, Chaturmukha Brahma, Saraswati Devi, Vyasa Maharshi.
ನಾರಾಯಣಂ ನಮಸ್ಕೃತ್ಯ ನರಂ ಚೈವ ನರೋತ್ತಮಂ ದೇವೀಂ ಸರಸ್ವತೀಂ ವ್ಯಾಸಂ ತತೋ ಜಯಂ ಉದೀರಯೇತ್. ಶ್ರೀಮದ್ಭಾಗವತಮೋ ದಶಮಸ್ಕಂಧಂ 10th ಸ್ಕಂಧಂ 168th day. Suta Maharshi giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukayogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, Sri Krishna Paramatma, the one who can give fruits to everyone in this entire universe, such Krishna Paramatma asking fruits from the seller of fruits. He says, I am giving you some grains, you give me some fruits. And then he poured some grains in her basket. Then she gave some fruits to Krishna. Then she has seen into her basket. There is no grains. That basket is now Phalabandam Apuricha. So many gems and gold is filled up in that basket. Like that, Krishna Paramatma blessed the one who is selling fruits. Like that, days were passing, and one of those days, Saritira Gatam Krishnam, Balarama and Krishna went to play in the banks of river Yamuna. It's been so long they have been playing and they totally forgot about to eat, and they don't even hungry. So then, in order to again bring them back, Yashoda Devi Preshayamasa Rohini Putravatsalam. Yashoda Devi went there and now calling Krishna like this: Krishna Krishnam Aravindaksha Tatayehi Stanam Piba Alam Viharaihi Kshutshantaha Kridashrantosi Putraka. Ho Krishna, Aravindaksha, please come, drink milk. Now it is enough playing. You have tired so much and you will get hungry also. He Rama Agacha Tata Asusanujaha Kulanandana. O Balarama, you come. You bring your brother Krishna and both of you come. This morning, sometime early in the morning you ate. Now it is again time to eat. Your father Nanda also did not eat. He is waiting for both of you. He wanted to eat along with you all. All of your friends also gone to their homes. O Krishna, Dhuli Dhusarita Angastvam Putram Majjanamavaha. You played so much and you played in this mud. Now your entire body is muddy. You have to take shower and eat and then relax. Like that, Yashoda Devi calling Balarama and Krishna. What happens next we will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna Rakshatu no Jagatraya Guruhu. Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishne Namarashatravo Vinihataha. Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam. Krishnasya Dasosmyaham. Krishne Tishtati Visvametadakhilam. He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 11th chapter, 16th sloka. Aneka Bahudara Vaktra Netram Pasyamitvam Sarvato Nantarupam Nantam Namadhyam Napunastavadim Pasyami Visvesvara Visvarupa. అనేకబాహూదరవక్త్రనేత్రం పశ్యామి త్వాం సర్వతోనంతరూపం నాంతం న మధ్యం న పునస్తవాదిం పశ్యామి విశ్వేశ్వర విశ్వరూప. శ్రీమన్నారాయణ కరిష్యే వచనం తవ. సర్వం శ్రీకృష్ణార్పణమస్తు. జై శ్రీమన్నారాయణ.